we're gonna chug this bubbly can. Stop it! We're gonna chug this bubbly can without burping. If you see us skip, it's because we can't show it for 1,000 minutes. That was good. Okay. Oh, okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Keep on going. I'm a banana.
Oh my god, my stomach.
Come on, Griffin. At least it lasted longer than me.
I'm gonna vomit actually at this point.
We're gonna take out the burp sounds because it's kind of weird until he burps. Because the last burp is the. He made it. Don't burp. Come on. Go on. 10 seconds. Let's go, guys.
After the 10 seconds, can I burp?
Yeah. Okay. I hope you like watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Holy shit.